Okay, so we'll continue discussing the ARDS remedies that we are doing now. So let's start discussing the second part of this video. So the first remedy of today which I want to teach you, which I want to discuss with you, is a Moscus, is a remedy prepared for the musk deer, especially for the musk deer. And the PQRS is that there is a gripping pain, type of gripping pain while breathing, and getting cold aggravate the complaint. Getting cold and pupils dilated pupils are present. That's the major PQR. That is, pupils are always dilated in this type of complaints of Moscus. So you can see, check out some rubrics in complete repertory. The gripping pain which aggravates from some breathing, and difficult cold, any type of cold from anywhere, from the air or from the substance or something like that, any type of cold will aggravate the complaint. So that was Moscus. And there is pupils, there is concomitance of pupil which is always dilated during difficulty in breathing, during dyspnea condition. You will see the Moscus is also there along with calcarea and belladonna. So potency which we can think of is 30 and 200. If you are giving 30, give TDS. If you are giving 200, give OD for 3 to 4 days. So that's it. So second remedy I want to discuss with you, that is embragation. I want to discuss with you, that is the embragation, a very well known remedy, and prepared for the secretion of the sperm of whale. It is prepared for the sperm of whale, and it has a unique PQRS that during dyspnea it appears due to hearing of music. Any type of smooth music, when he hears, the dyspnea start, and asthmatic complaint during the coition. Asthmatic complaint during the coition, and eating emulate all the breathing complaint. That's 3 points we have to remember. Eating emulate all the breathing complaints, asthmatic complaint during the coition, and hearing music aggravates the dyspnea. These 3 points we have to remember here. You can check out some rubrics of respiratory difficult from music, from asthmatic coition during the sexual activities. She used to get lots of dyspnea, lots of difficulty in breathing, and asthma eating emulate. As soon as he eats something, its asthma get emulated. So potency we have to thought of 30 and 200. So these are the two potency we have to remember here. So the third remedy of today, or fifth remedy of ARDS, it is very common remedy, very well known remedy, that is Grindalia, a remedy prepared from plant in the Compositae family. It comes from the same family from which Arnica or something like Camomilla belongs to. There is major PQRS which we have to remember. As soon as he goes to sleep, he thought that he won't wake up ever. So he has a fear of going to sleep. That's the major. There is fear of going to sleep as soon as he thinks that he won't be able to awake when he goes to sleep. That's the major PQR that we have to remember. Dyspnea and chronic pneumonia, that's major thing. And any respiratory troubles in concomitant with cardiac troubles. In often we thought of digitalis, but Grindalia is a remedy that to be thought of. It's a wonderful remedy with some wonderful results. You can see, check out some rubric. Respiratory erector, asleep on falling. During asleep, he used to have the sensation as if he will be arrested. That's why he sometimes wakes up suddenly in Grindalia patient. And some special rubric you can see of the special repertory by home path. Respiration difficult, concomitant fear on going to sleep. As soon as he has a constant fear, as I told you, where if he will go to sleep, he will completely die. He won't ever back up. And other rubric which I have done to discuss with you, there is a concomitant with heart disease. There is something which very concomitant with heart disease. You can see the remedies like digitalis, it is very good spear action of the heart, and crotontic. So remedy, so potency which can be thought of is Q, generally the mother tincture or the lower potency. So this potency which we have to remember. Okay, so other remedy we will discuss today, that is anti-Mars. Anti-Mars is another remedy for today's world, and whether in chest X-ray detect emphysema, a lot of cloudy type of chest X-ray we will see in this type of condition, and in this type of particular condition, this anti-Mars can be a lifesaver. This is a lifesaver remedy which can be used somewhere, somehow in our lives. It's got some wonderful results. So here you can see, check out the direct difficulty in breathing with during the emphysema. And Clark complete repertory, a very clinical rubric is the aphaxia, complete lack of oxygen, death apparent, paralysis of lungs. Think of paralysis, your lungs have stopped working, in threatening. Think of this anti-Mars as a remedy. wonderful results. Repeat it in lower potency 30 or 230. If you can give constant repeated dose in 200 OD for 3 or 4 days. So that's all I want to discuss with you. Thank you. And this is all about the book that we have written along with Dr. Rajarshi Mishra. You can see it's getting very good response all over the India, and I want to show reverence to all my teachers who taught me so much. You can contact me at nishantotiva@smilebox@gmail.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.